Hello everyone, myself lecturer Aditi Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the experiments from pharmaceutics 2. So first of all, let's discuss about the monophasic liquid dosage forms. Liquid meant for external administration, in that specially liquids to be instilled into body cavities, nasal drops. Nasal drops are the solutions of drugs that are instilled into the nose with a dropper. They are usually aqueous because oil drops inhibit the movement of cilia in the nasal mucosa, and if used for long periods, they may reach the lungs and cause the damage. Recommended containers for nasal drops are colored fluted bottle fitted with a dropper in a plastic container, and special labeling instructions for nasal drop are for nasal use only. So now let's move towards actual experiments. So now let's discuss about the experiment number 25. Title of our today's experiment is to prepare and submit the nasal drops 10 ml. Formulation of nasal drops. Learning objectives are to understand the purpose of nasal drops and its method of preparation, and ability to prepare the nasal drop and label it correctly. Apparatus required are beaker, glass rod, funnel, measuring cylinder, filter paper. Factor calculated as quantity required upon quantity given, that is equal to 10 upon 100 is equal to 0.1. Prescription is given over here. Let's discuss about the formulation table. Type, that is use of ingredient. Translation means name of ingredient. Quantity given in the imperial system for 30 ml, quantity given in the metric system for 30 ml, and quantity taken in the metric system for 10 ml. Ephedrine hydrochloride used as a nasal decongestant. Quantity given 0.5 gram, multiply it with factor 0.1, we will get 0.05 gram. Chlorbutal used as a preservative 0.5 gram, so multiply it with factor, we will get 0.05 gram. Sodium chloride used as a tonicity adjuster 0.5 gram, multiply it with factor, we will get 0.05 gram. Purified water used as a vehicle, quantity sufficient up to 100 ml, and for preparing 10 ml we will require quantity sufficient up to 10 ml. Direction as directed by physician. So for performing actual experiment, let's move towards laboratory. So let's proceed for performing actual experiment in laboratory. So we have this ephedrine hydrochloride, which is previously weighed. This is chlorbutal, which is also weighed. This is sodium chloride, which is also weighed, and this is the purified water. This is the previously warm water. So first of all, we are going to add all these solid ingredients into this 3/4 volume of water. First of all, we are adding ephedrine hydrochloride, then this is chlorobutal. After that, we are going to add this sodium chloride into it. So after dissolving all these three ingredients, our solution is little bit, in this solution little bit particles are seen. So let's proceed for filtration. After filtration, our filtrate is ready. Now let's proceed for volume makeup, and then we will going to pour it into container. So now make up the volume up to 10 ml into this measuring cylinder, and then we are going to pour this formulation into this bottle, dropper bottle, and then proceed for next labeling part. So after filling our formulation in this container, let's proceed for labeling part. Nasal drop 10 ml. For ABC means name of patient, register number XYZ, that is number given in the register. Dispensed by PQR means name of pharmacist. Manufacturing date September 2020. Storage stored in cool and dark place. Shake well before use. This is the direction. One more direction for external use only, especially for nasal use, as directed by physician. Manufactured by LNM